This video will explore the top fintech software development companies for 2024. Before we dive into companies, let's look at the criteria for selecting them, which include technical excellence, domain experience, talent, and skills, clientele, and reviews, R&D investments, scalability, and support. Let's dive into the top companies for fintech software development. At number 5 we have KindGeek, having 180 plus fintech experts, specializing in process automation and accelerator programs for startups. Number 4 Saratusa, AI and quantum computing labs, design and UX expertise, Latin America delivery capabilities. Number 3 Pixel Crayons, niche fintech focus, award-winning risk management solutions, strong presence in Eastern Europe. Number 2 Value Coders, 675 plus fintech talent pool, long track record across global institutions, in-house domain experts like CGMAs. Number 1 Praxent, 250 plus member fintech team, award-winning innovations for leading banks, 95% client retention rate. Value Coders brings the best balance of cutting-edge skills, proven expertise, and versatile delivery models. For a detailed analysis of these companies and more, read our blog post at www.valuecoders.com/blog.